car. This is pinche codro. A la pinche codro. Mira. El pinche codro. Mira, tío, mira, es pinche codro. A la verga, mira. Sí, sí. A la verga, pinche codro. Full pass. Look out, look out. Did you see pinche codro? A la verga. Mira. It was pinche codro. Ay, 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 ay. Look out, man. We in the building, man. We in the building. Hold up. I see a little 383. Dang. Go ahead, y'all go. Look out, man. Nah, it's on you. I came to put you in the video one time, man. Let them know you was here, man.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Tell your brother that you out here, man. Where you at? Your brother, man. Tell him you out here, man.
What's up?
Yeah. Yeah, he said what's going on, man.
What's going on?
Already, man. Already. Look out, look out. Got a little stroker. Little 383. I said we got a little 383. Little 383 stroker.
On what?
I don't even really know. I don't know if it got night. Look out. Got a 383, y'all. We need food and drink.
How long you been out here?
52 minutes.
How long you been out here?
Oh, about another 10 minutes on top of that. Maybe 20. We need food and drink. Let me go see what the hell they got over here. This is good time to have it on the charger. I don't like having it on the charger that much. Look out, y'all. Got my boy Byron in the building, y'all. Okay, trying to get this charge on deck, y'all. That way later on, y'all done be, dang, why you ain't charging? I don't want to hear nothing. Oh yeah, I got it on. Got that charger on, y'all. It's on now. It's on. See what we gonna go see. What's up with it? Here goes somebody. Look out, miss. Y'all on my YouTube channel? It's called Look Out Racing. You sure? You on there, miss? You know about it? Look Out Racing. They said they small block or big block. Do you know the small block or a big block? Which one you representing? You don't know about the motors out here? Man, who y'all came with? Y'all from Dallas? Okay. Well, look, my YouTube channel, Lookout Racer. Tell all your friends I'm here live. Already, I sure gonna appreciate it. Let's see. Okay. Okay, we got a big block in the building, y'all. Yeah.
We at Extreme Racing right now, big Jake race, man.
Yeah.
Big, you know, big tires, big
Yeah.
engines, you know,
Yeah.
all that, man.
Yeah.
You know,
It's out here.
man, you know.
Yeah, they
nice.
getting everything. Little nitrous.
Yeah.
Okay.
Look, you smell it, you know, you smell the racing gas in the area.
Yeah, I
man. You
smell a
already
little
know.
racing gas.
You smell it.
Yeah, I smell it. I smell it. Let me see. Yeah, I'ma hide in public. Somebody said they hide in public. Oh man, they be tripping people out. Look out, look out. Look out, I'm trying to see something. Small block, a big block. What's up with it?
Look out. Tell me you gonna get on his ass.
Yeah.
Motherfucker.
Oh man, tear that up, man. He don't even come out enough. He ain't got number 2 more passes. That's why he's saving that motherfucker, man. He got 2 more passes. He out of the game. He ain't coming back. When his motor blow, it's over with, y'all. We ain't gonna see him no more. So we trying to let him save it because we like seeing him. We enjoy his company, and I want one of them passes because one of them gonna equal me some cash. Yeah, I want some of that cash he got. He gonna retire after this, man. He got 2 more passes, a shakedown and me. A shakedown and me, man. He got 1 more bottle to fill of nitrous, 1 more fuel cell to fill. This it. It's it. It's over with for him. He know it. He know it. He looked at the oil pressure gauge. It only rolls up to 20. It used to be at 60. He knows something wrong. 2 more times. 2 more. It's about to go. I seen a little smoke last time. I seen a little smoke.
I'll make you blow that 427.
All right. Everybody, I've been hearing I got a 427.
And what, the Mustang? Oh, you
Yeah.
running the Mustang?
I'm running them in a Mustang. I can't handle them in nothing else. I sold a 427.
427. You don't need another mechanic. You got
Man.
2 of them.
I got 3 mechanics already. I'm shop hopping. I'm shop hopping. I'm shop hopping. I'm trying to figure out which one is you any good. Nope. Next. Next. They took my money. Next. Small block. Small block. Oh.